Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations. I have a PR package from FEELook Art. It's a diamond painting company. They reached out to me to do a box opening on my channel and to test out their diamond painting. I will have the coupon code across the screen down below in the description box. I will also have their website and affiliate link also down below in the description box. Please go check them out. We're going to open this up. First, I got to show you this huge box. It's a big, sturdy box. It says, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. It says, everything you need is inside. The details are on the back. It also says, every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. It has the instructions on the back. This is the picture. It's called Dreaming in Color. It's a 26 by 34 fabric size. And design is 60 by 80 centimeters. Diamond shaped round. It also has, here's all the Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and the website. And the QR code. I said have their website, affiliate link, and my coupon code down below. I really hope you can go check them out. We're going to open this package up and see what is inside. Got it taped really good. It did come in a big shipping box. I got rid of the shipping box. We'll get that get this clear packaging out of the way. Let's see what it looks like in there. That's what it looks like. Oh, this is big. We got all the neat stuff in there. First, it comes with this picture. You have, looks like it got squished in the box a little bit. Looks like you got all the stickers to put on your containers. So when you diamond paint, this is a little booklet. Let's see what it is. This is instructions. It actually has a sparkle to it. That's actually pretty cool. Kit contents, tips and tricks, stuff like that. My trading card got bent up. It must have fallen out of the thing. There is the trading card. There's a QR code right there and something on the back to scratch off. We're going to open up this package. This is big. It is really big. Look at all those drills. Let's see if I can get room here. First, it comes in, we got the tools here. It comes in this nice packaging. I'm going to have to spread out this canvas and hold my camera because this canvas is huge. A lot comes in there. Very excited. Looks like you get 2 boats. That's pretty neat. You get some tweezers. Has a cover on it and you just put the cover back on. Comes with some plastic baggies. It also has, I like this drill pen. This drill pen looks like it has the wax inside. Looks like the putty case and the putty. This turned to a little case for the putty. The pin is nice and thick, sturdy. You got numbers here for the drills. What I'm going to have to do is spread this canvas out. It's huge. So let's roll it back the other direction. Got wrinkled up in shipping, it looks like. As you can see, the drill field is extremely clear. We're going to feel the sticky here. Here's the stickiness right there. It is very sticky. Sorry for moving you guys all over the place. My tripod is a little small at the moment. Here's her face. It's got some pretty colors. Let me get you zoomed in on her face. So there's the face. The colors are visible. It looks like it has numbers. A total of 38. The placements, the darker drills. We got some sparkle here. Very nice. Very pretty. I like how the drill field is extremely clear on this canvas. I really like this. It is really pretty. Here are the drills. Let me move you up a little bit. There we go. We got some of these nice drills. Let's open it up. Here's the long train of drills. That's one set. Got some nice sparkle to it. There's that one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separate packages of these drills. That's a lot, and it looks like they come with some really good quality drills. I don't see them mixed up with any other drills. They are round. That is nice. I cannot wait to get started on this diamond painting. I do hope you can check out the affiliate link. I want to thank FEELook Art for sending me this package to try out. I'm looking forward to doing that. I just need to get more storage stuff to work on this. Thank you again. Please check out the affiliate link. Please check their different social media sites. I will have the coupon code across the screen as well. I'll also have the website down below as well. Please check out my TikTok and Instagram. I'll also list those across the screen. I will also put it down in the description box under my link tree if you guys want to check that out. Okay, thank you once again, FEELook Art. You all have a great day. I can't wait to look forward to your comments. Thank you.